Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable share location albums in Google Photos. So how to disable share photo location albums in Google Photos? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the left of the screen. There are many menu options here. Next, tap the Album menu. Now this is in the Album menu. Next, tap the album to be shared. Now this is in the album. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options here. Tap the three-dot icon. A scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Options menu. And an option menu like this will appear. Here are several options. Tap the Share Photo Location section to disable. So that's it, tutorial how to disable share photo location albums in Google Photos. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.